What's going on, guys? It's Chris here, and I want to show you this thermal printer that Mimo Life was kind enough to send me to test out. So if you don't know about thermal printers, it doesn't use the ink, which makes them very fast and more affordable than actually printing out labels with an actual printer. Um, and I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to use and show you the app and everything. It comes with a couple different guides, and another thing that I really like about this, it is all Bluetooth. So you can connect it, you can direct connect if you want, but you don't have to, which in my opinion is absolutely incredible, because who wants to always be direct connecting when you can just hook it up Bluetooth. So right here in the back, we're gonna click it on just like that. It's gonna make that noise. I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to turn it back off, and I'm going to show you the inside and how easy it is to set everything up. So when it comes with this out, just like this. This comes like this. And so you put this in, you connect it right here, you connect it right there, and then you just slide this in just like this, and we're going to slide this just like this. And that is how easy it is to get it started. And then you just close it, and then you turn it on. And when that button comes on, then it's good to go. And then we're ready to print, which I'll show you now. All right, so you go to the Label Life right here. And then if you need to connect, mine's already been connected, but it basically goes here, it searches, and it will automatically connect if you have a device on nearby. And then they have a bunch of different options. You can do new labels, get from your saved documents. But I just ported over one of my my jewelry orders. And so we go in here, we click this, and so then there's the label, and then we're just going to click next, and we're going to click print. And look at how fast that is. So just like that, with the click of the button, you can print out one of your orders super easy. Now, my only complaint is, like, I use a thing called Pirate Ship to print my labels. I have to send them over to this app. That's my only complaint, that it doesn't, as far as I know, it's not, you can't just hook it up to a website like I use, like Stamps or something like that, and print directly off. Now, Stamps might have that ability, but the provider that I use don't have that. So that's my only thing, is you have to just send the orders over to the app. But it's super easy to do, and you can do big batch prints and stuff like that. So overall, this thing is super easy to use. It's nice, it's reliable, it's so fast, and you don't have to worry about always changing the ink cartridges. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.